Nagugutom ba kayo? Baka gusto nyo na merienda. Ito ang aking Graham bar. Tcharan! Sobrang sarap nito. Hindi lang ito masarap. Durog pa, creamer na, at madami pa. Nasaan ka na? Dito ka na sa Graham bar ni Angelo. Mahalaga ang multimedia sa pag-advertisement ng mga produkto upang mapadali ang pagbebenta ng mga produkto sa ibang tao.
Canva is important for multimedia because it allows users to easily create a variety of visual content like presentations, posters, and social media graphics.
Multimedia makes online shopping easier and more fun by showing products with pictures, videos, and 3D views. It helps shoppers see details, understand how things work, and trust what they are buying, reducing confusion and returns.
So as of na, nandito kami sa labas ng aming laboratory kasi nag-aantay kami ng klase. Yun nga, naglalakad ako dito sa room namin at sobrang ingay.
In this multimedia, which is vlogging, shows the use contents of a video like a daily life of a student.
Multimedia is important in this part as sharing the part-time teaching post helps spread awareness of potential job opportunities.